You asked for it, we delivered. The SentinelOne Singularity platform now has customizable enterprise dashboards and business intelligence reporting available to all customers using our latest Jamaica release. Security teams can now better understand and communicate their enterprise attack surface, live threat landscape, and security posture. Customize a unique dashboard based on your workflows and always have the data you need right at your fingertips. Select from over 50 available widgets and design them to your specifications. Build a custom dashboard right from your browser simply by dragging and dropping. Select your widgets, resize them, place them, and adjust whenever you choose. Send scheduled reports to stakeholders in a few easy clicks. Or utilize our integrations with Power BI and Tableau to make SentinelOne part of your enterprise security reporting to senior management and the board of directors. Ready for the best part? When you're viewing your dashboard and find something that needs attention, with one click, you are interacting with live SentinelOne data. For more information or to sign up for a free demo, visit SentinelOne.com.